Okay, Pete. This is Pete on a 1944, very early 44, G3L. All badged out to 21st Army Group, I think. MONTY'S Signals Headquarters unit is badged to. This G3L is one that we haven't done. We've bought it like this. It's a nice bike. The engine's good anyway. It's going quite well so far. It was a rebuild, recent rebuild, and I think we've only put about 15 or 16 miles on it so far without anything going majorly wrong, so always a good sign. This, oh, go on Pete, come on back down. Here he comes. It's very, very bright, so I hope this comes out all right. It's got all the bits it should have on it. There's a couple of pattern parts on it. Those could be changed by an owner if they wanted to. Here he goes. We got problems with the flaming iPad as well for some reason. V5 registered, just the usual sort of bike.